Hello all. So you join me on a very hot and sweaty day in Suffolk. I am very excited to finally be collecting the Laguna from having its roll cage done. I'm going to get the car back today so that I can start doing rebuilding of certain bits. I can get it all into an etch primer, and then when bits need welding on to that, we can just rub down those areas back to bare metal and finish it up. And it's a day or so away of a few like final little touch-up bits. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm waiting on a good friend of mine, Stephen Dennett. He's going to be here at 4 o'clock. I think it's about 2:30 now. He's coming up with the trailer. Also, big thanks to Jake at the Motorsport Fabrication, because his work has been phenomenal. Anyway, let's go look at the car. Fun fact, this is the next day. I filmed an entire outro and it was out of focus. Anyway, little roundup of what we've done. The roll cage, as I said, isn't quite finished. There are a couple of things that we're going to do, like we're going to tilt the seat further back, and it seems silly to put that rear bar in if we then tilt the seat back and then can't clear the bar, we can't tilt it back correctly. So we're going to get the bars, the brackets made correctly to tilt the seat back, and then from there we'll make the bar. And there are a couple of other bits like little brackets that go onto here so that we can have covers and stuff like that. So it's not quite finished, however I wanted to get it away so that I could, you know, get a start on some other things. Jake has been absolutely fantastic, absolutely fantastic. The level of knowledge that he has, his ability, his problem-solving mind, it's just, you say, I'd like something done, and it just becomes a reality right in front of your eyes. It's a gift. I know he's worked in the industry for a long time, and he's worked very hard, and he's learned a lot of things, but I do think there are people out there who are just gifted individuals who have a mind that will just fix any situation, and he's one of them. So to you, Jake, thank you so much. I appreciate your time, effort, many late nights, because don't forget, guys, this isn't his main job. He has a normal 9 to 5, and he does this stuff for me on the side. Thank you, Steven Denner. You might have seen on my Instagram, he has a 1993 Paul Radisich Mondeo touring car replica. It's a fantastic car, and he's a great bloke, and he did me transportation of this from Suffolk to here. Bear in mind, he lives in Essex, so he had to do Essex to Suffolk to Cambridge and back to Essex, and he only charged me the price of fuel plus a drink. So thank you so much. The car is light, my bank balance is light, my heart is full. I'm in a really good place at the moment. I'm looking at this and going, we've got some things to start working at, some problems to overcome, and work out how I'm going to get, you know, cable clutch set up. The cable throttle is going to be in a slightly off position until I adapt a few things, because this is a pedal box for a Clio, so we're going to have to do some adaptations to make it fit onto this. And yeah, you know, we're going to start seeing some real big changes over the near future, hopefully. So follow me on Instagram if you want to get sort of the inside scoop and the original, maybe a week early, 2 week early sort of pictures and video, so you know what's going on up to date. Follow me on YouTube if you wish to just watch sort of the long form format. I'm not wearing it today because it's in the wash, but I was wearing merch in the earlier part of the video. It's the Chris the Car Builder tax disc with a QR code that scans and sends you to my YouTube homepage. That's available in t-shirt form, in hoodie form. Just message me on Instagram if you would like to have one, and I will have some made to order. Also the stickers, the 75mm round stickers that stick in your windscreen or wherever you want to put them, they are £2.50 posted to UK mainland. If you are outside the UK, as I know I've got a lot of people who watch from outside the UK, just let me know if you want one, and I can work out a shipping cost. It shouldn't be more than a £5 total, because it's only a little sticker. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for bearing with me. This is where everything restarts again, and we start getting hopefully some more regular content, which I'm very excited for. So look forward to that. I certainly am, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.